Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thanks for joining me. We got a Cobra 148 on the bench here. Um, this gentleman actually sent in two radios. I'm going to do this one first, I'll show you, then I'll just touch on this one quick too. It's a 29. So the 148 came in as a working radio, basically. He actually just had it at a shop before sending it to me, but he just kind of didn't feel right about the work that was done, wanted it checked out type deal, and I do get that a lot. Some guys just want the radios checked out, want to make sure everything's, dialed in where it should be, not over modulating, stuff like that on frequency. So yeah, so I went through it, figured out it needed a recap, and it was a little bit out of tune. Nothing was hacked, so whatever shop he went to, they weren't terrible by any means. I'll just show you here. Got you all recapped up. There's all your new electrolytics. Also upgraded a couple of the values that, like your main DC filter cap, stuff like that. Of course, here is, just zoom out a little bit here. Here's all your old caps. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, all the blue 10 volters. So got them all out. Got your new white LED. Actually did a double LED in that for you. What else did we do? That was pretty much it. Just gave it a good tune alignment. Did the recap. Did the meter light. What else did we have to do? Oh, tightened your knobs. And yeah, I mean, this thing was pretty clean. It came in good shape. So I'll just show you what it's doing. And I hope my meter cooperates, because I came down to the shop here a few minutes ago to turn this stuff on, and I realized that I had left my Bird 43 peak kit on. So I hope the 9-volt batteries aren't drained, and we'll get some accurate readings here, but you never know. See what happens. That thing just eats through batteries. I don't know what the deal is, especially when you leave it on. I mean, that of course never helps. But alright, let's just see what it's doing for output. So on the watt meter here, 50 watt slug. We'll show you average first. It's keying. Make sure I got mic. Yeah, where's mic gain? Yeah, mic gain's up. Keying about 3, 2.5, 3. Swinging almost 6. Hello, audio. Alright, we'll put the peak kit on. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio. So just over 15 looks like. Yeah, the batteries definitely, I think, are a little bit weak. Let's put it to sideband. So just go to lower. Check it out on sideband, what it's doing. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4. Audio drive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit more on sideband getting out of her, but yeah, between 15 and 20. And we'll just show it on the scope. Went the wrong way. So if I zoom that all the way out, I'm just going to take this. I'm going to run it off the communications test set. Is where I have this coming out of. Oh, you know what? I don't have my. Never mind. I don't have my 5-pin adapter. So let me just give it a quick little whistle in here. Show you what it's doing. Oh, that's on sideband. 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. So looking good on sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll show you AM. Adjust that a little bit. Okay. Then we'll just quick show you what it's doing on receive. just wanted to show you that everything's working. So we'll do S9 to start, and it would help if I put the right cable in. And I got the camera where it needs to be. Sorry guys, I'm like not with it here. Alright, so we are at 73, and there is our S9. And we'll see where it comes in at for Synad. Looks like we are, gotta turn my volume up first. Alright, RF gain's up, noise blanker off, dial it down. Of course everybody knows these things always hear real well. We are at, yeah, we'll call it negative 110. I actually might be able to go over 111. Yeah, between 110 and 111, so like 110 and a half. Should show you that bottom left there if it zooms in for me. There it is. Yep. Alright, and we'll just take it to sideband here quick. See what it's doing. 204, we'll go to lower sideband. See, it's on lower. And now it is doing a little bit better. A little bit better on sideband. Looks like it's going to come in. And this is cold. The radio is actually a little bit cold, so I'll probably move the clarifier a little bit. And we'll see really where it falls. So yeah, about 118 if I don't, yeah, let me move the clarifier so I can get this thing dialed in a hair better. That might have been the best it was going to be. So yeah, thought maybe, yeah, right there. So 118, alright, and that's really it. The only thing I'd let you do is I'll let you hear it over the air quick. Get on channel 25 and show you up there. Where are we at? Audio. Oh, I'm on sideband.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio drive 1 2 3 4 and 5.
Yeah, she's big swinging.
1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 and 5.
Alright, so the 148's done. Let me get this camera back in screen here. 148 is done. We're going to pull this out of here. Put this to the side. Unplug the mic. And we're just going to swap for the 29 here. I got this one warming up on the other power supply. So then that comes over to here. And now you can see the 29. So we got your meter light upgrade on the 29, white LED like we talked about, and that goes with the dimmer here. You can see that. Okay. And then I did your power wire upgrade like we talked about. So, alright. There's that power wire with the big choke. Upgraded your negative. Oh, can't see. You got a pointer. Right here, you got your negative wire upgraded. And this thing was pretty clean in here. It has the MOSFET upgrade. That was already done, but I did have to redo their bias. Like I have to do with most of these that come through. No big deal. And then also, I could tell they just basically did a. Now this didn't have the limiter clipped or anything, it just needed some tuning done because I could tell with the MOSFET they just basically did like a straight off CB tricks type deal and didn't actually go through and tune like the tank circuit or anything to get the most out of it as far as cap values go. Because that's the thing, guys. Like, yeah, if you do the instructions for the MOSFET install, I mean, even if you follow mine, I have a video on a MOSFET conversion, how to do it. It's just, that's just basically to get you in the ballpark to get it working. But there's a lot more fine tuning you can do as far as going through the caps on the output circuit here in the tank circuit to really dial it in and get the most swing out of it, the most average power out of it. So went through, did that. What else did I do? I think that was pretty much it. Replaced one of the caps in your audio section. Yeah, so that was, I mean, not too crazy, but yeah, you gotta make sure these MOSFETs are set up right, or else you just won't get the output out of them. And this one all the way turned up, we'll do like how I showed you that other one. We'll do like 40 watts, not a clean sine wave. Let me get this hooked up here. I'm going to show it to you on the. I'm going to show it to you with the. What am I trying to say here? I'm going to show it to you on the scope with the tone into it. That's what I'm trying to say. So there it is, keyed up. I just plugged it in. You can see. I should have had this zoomed out. So yeah, here's my audio cable. All right, it's going into the test set, and then I'll just show it to you when I put tone into it. And see how pretty that is. Okay. And then now we will put some voice into it and just show it to you what it's doing on the scope. Not going to show much more with this. I mean, it's a 29. There's not a lot going on here. I'll just show you. Let's see. We'll do average, I guess, first. Dead key. Whoops. I'm going to turn my mic gain down here. What do I have? Oh, I got the peak kit on. That's why. So yeah, dead key is about 4 watts, 4.5 watts. Swinging about 6, average, clean. And then we'll take it into peak. Alright. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Audio drive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So about just over 25 watts. I was seeing 30 out of it the other day, but of course, like I said, if you don't have fresh batteries in these meters, they don't like to swing up all the way. But no big deal. No big deal. We're not worried about it. Cobra CB radios, so there's not a lot to show as far as spectrum analyzer. I'm not going to go through that. I have enough Cobra 29s and 148s on spectrum analyzer and other videos. What am I looking for in my signal? RF signal generator we're going to throw in here, and let's see what it's doing for SINAD. We got the receive on this came up quite a bit, so I was happy about that. And she is, got our volume turned up here. Gotta dial this. Yeah, I gotta get this down a little bit. Alright. What's going on? Oh, I'm not on. That's why I'm not on the right channel. I wonder where the heck my. Alright. Yeah, this thing has good ears on it. Came out nice after the tune up. She is at. Yeah, 110, right on the money. Show you that. Negative 110. Bottom left. Just bouncing a little bit there. 12. There you see it now. Yeah, it went to 12. Okay, there's your S9. And as you know, we're at negative 73. So everything came out good. I am behind, guys, right now, so thank you for the patience. I got a couple of new radios I got to get out here. For guys, and then I gotta get back to the repairs. So just trying to balance everything as far as getting the new radios done and then taking care of the repair radios. Yeah. Alright, let's just hear it over the air quick. We'll put it on, and we'll put it on 25 like the monitor. And we'll just zoom in on that up here.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah, that thing's sounding good. Sounding good. Alright, that's it. I got, what else do I got going on? Oh, I got my new multimeter if anybody cares. Got a FLIR multimeter on the bench now. Pretty cool. Maybe I'll show a little bit more of that in the next video. And I also got something real interesting for the guys with the Galaxy radios and the drifting radios. So any of the it's basically going to be for sideband guys. You know, the AM radios drift too, but not enough that you're going to notice it. So sideband drifting radios, I got something I'm going to show you guys in the next video. It's a it's going to take away hopefully all those drifting issues. And what else do I have? Oh, I'm going to show you for the next video too. I got a video coming up. Where the heck is it here? It's going to be a... What the heck did I do with it? Yeah, well, I misplaced it now, so... Oh no, I didn't. Here it is. Does it really work? Top Gun MD1 modulator. I'm going to do a does it really work type video on this. I'm going to install it in a stock a General, what is it, a General Washington I got that I got to get ready for sale. But before I do anything to it, I'm going to install that and I'm going to show you guys. Actually, yeah, I'm going to show myself too. I have no idea what them things do. It's going to be my first experience with one of them. So, hey, if they work, great. If not, then we'll know. So we don't waste our money. Alright? Thanks everybody for watching. Sorry for it to drag on. Obviously lots more stuff coming down the pipeline. And appreciate everybody subscribing and liking the videos. That helps. And even if you don't like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I won't tell nobody. Radio Garage, we're off the key.